Hi everybody, Professor Benelo with just a little heads up on what's going to happen this week, what's going on this week in week 2. You will have regularly scheduled office hours on Monday from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And your chat 2 will be scheduled as normal. Please check that out in the classroom. Also, your due dates, important to go over the due dates. Unit 1 in telepath is going to be due Tuesday by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Then Friday, you have 2 big things due. Friday, the May 24th, you have your Unit 2 Determined Knowledge due, and you have your Unit 2 Discussion Board Original Post due, both by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Very important to get these assignments in. And then the 28th, Tuesday the 28th, you also have 2 important things due. You have the, Unit 2 Discussion Board Responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And you have your Unit 2 and Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, the topics you have for Unit 2 Discussion Board have a lot of research material on them. They're very interesting. And of course, I am here for you. If you need me, you can do it. And don't forget, our CTU Online Library is an incredible resource. So is our Writing Center. You can find information on the CTU Writing Center in my announcements. So good luck, everybody. Let's start this week off on a good foot. And let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one, everybody.